A massive glorious birthday shout out go out to an amazing, beautiful soul, Dosunmu Adejumoke Adepeju Asisat, all the way from Lagos State. This special tribute is coming to you as a beautiful surprise, courtesy of your dear friend Adeola Adejumoke. On this special day of yours, Adeola wants you to know this. Happy birthday to my precious best girl and my blessing. Watching you use your beautiful voice to touch lives is amazing. I pray God shower you with divine favor, joy, and laughter in this new chapter. Thank you for being so genuine. I love you always. Happy birthday, Adejumoke.